What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're back. Well, we're not back, but today we're about to play a game called Subway Surfers. So, yep. I've never played this game. Actually, I have, but it was a very long time. And I've heard this game has been updating like crazy. So, we're going to check it out. Please enter your age. My age is 13. Sorry about that. Anyways, tap to play. Okay, we're gonna skip this. I'm gonna pause. Actually, no, you guys gotta suffer with me. I'm such a good YouTuber. What can I say? Oh, I almost fucking got crushed by the thing there. I don't know how I did not get crushed, but it's okay. Can we be done with this thing? Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, double tap? Oh, okay, you rock. Thank you very much. Now I'm gonna just quit. No, quit. 368. Perfect. Let's try that again. Anyways, we're gonna do like all my gaming videos, sorry, will be 10 minutes. All of them. So yeah. Yup. Yoink. Yoink. Alright, there we go. Boing, boing. Boing, da boing. What the fuck am I saying? I don't know. Mystery box! Yes! Actually, no. We're gonna play until you open up a mystery box. Every time we're gonna open up a mystery box. Because I don't want my videos to be that long. Because I posted a 31-minute video. Because I'm fucking crazy, okay? I'm surprised. Actually, I'm actually not surprised that nobody has watched it. Because nobody's gonna watch a 31-minute video of a person just talking and nothing else. But yeah, gaming video, yay. There we go. Oh, city, okay, cool. Oh my god. Fantastic. Can you just screw off, please? Please. I beg of you. 1,899 points. Whatever it is. Okay, we got like a 1,000 coins. Cool. Okay, whatever. Fuck off. Yeah. No thanks. Click off. Kick off. I said kick off. Anyways, we're gonna open up this. Nice. Gonna open it up. Very nice. And finally, we're just gonna open up this, which is the most important one. 16 out of 150. And hoverboards. What is this? Oh, it's just this. Cool. Oh, actually, I can get like a couple more coins here, so I'm gonna just do that. Just F off, please. I agree, whatever. Get off me. You're on me. Get off me. You know what? And finally get. Oh my god, can you stop? The Samsung internet. Finally. Okay, now I have like a lot of coins. So I'm gonna just spend all those coins on this. Because you can actually get some good stuff. We got a key, which is good because now we can open up the token box and get a hat. 3 out of 3. We got Trixie! Let's go, baby! Alright, now we're gonna open up one more and we got another Trixie hat. 10 out of 120. Cool. Let me just go here. go there. Oh, we can also get this. Oh, 10 out of 120. Okay, cool. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you boys in the next one with a brand new gaming video or vlogging video. I don't know. Peace.